I'm making fried chicken wings with sweet potato waffles, and I'm gonna dip the wings in a barbecue sauce and serve it with some maple syrup. Shut your mouth. I'm excited. All right, so I'm gonna make my chicken like my grandmother makes hers. Have 8 wings that I've seasoned with some salt and pepper. I'm gonna give it a mix with my tongs. I'm doing it old school like my mama and grandmama do. Get some flour, dump it in my bag. I'm gonna add in about a teaspoon of my house seasoning. Okay, give it a shake. Add my chicken wings. Shake it up. You know what? I don't know what it is about this bag, but honey, it coats some chicken beautifully. It's the way my mama did it, this is the way my grandma did it, and that's the way I'm gonna do it. Just dropping my wings in the hot oil. It is imperative that this oil is extremely hot, otherwise you will have a greasy piece of chicken. They take about 10 to 12 minutes to fry, depending on how big your wings are. For me, this is gonna take about 10 minutes. Last wing. I'm basically just frying it until it turns a golden brown color. You also know that your chicken is done when the chicken starts to float. I'm shallow frying, so it won't necessarily float, but I can tell by just the color of the chicken. So I'm making a sweet, tangy, more so sweet than tangy, barbecue sauce from scratch. So I'm using this whole can of tomato sauce, some ketchup, a concentrated tomato flavor, got some Worcestershire sauce, some soy sauce for a little salt, some apple cider vinegar for a little tang, a pinch of garlic powder, a few pinches of onion powder, some brown sugar, dark brown sugar. I want a lot of that molasses flavor. And last but not least, maple syrup. I mean, it is chicken and waffles. Let me add a little pepper to this as well, and a pinch of salt. Give it a whisk, and as the tomato sauce cooks, it'll darken up once that molasses and brown sugar and maple syrup start to cook. And of course, I have to taste it, make sure it's right. Ooh. I don't know if you can hear my foot. Man, that's good. It's tangy, it's sweet. I'm gonna turn the heat down, let this simmer on low for about 30 minutes. While that's simmering, I'm gonna tend to this chicken right here. So once you flip it over, it'll take a little less time to cook. These wings should be done in about 4 minutes. The wings are done. Look how golden brown and pretty these are. All right, so these are done. I gotta get started on my waffle batter. I got 2 cups of all-purpose flour in here. I'm gonna add in 1 tablespoon of baking powder. I have a teaspoon of cinnamon. I'm adding the cinnamon to this sweet potato waffle because I want it to kind of taste like my grandma's sweet potato pie. And a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Give it a whisk. Now for my wet ingredients, I have a 1/3 cup of unsalted melted butter, 2 cups of full-fat buttermilk. It's a buttermilk waffle. A tablespoon of that brown sugar. And I got 1 medium sweet potato here that I have boiled and smashed. And 2 eggs. Give it a whisk. All right, now I'm gonna add my wet to my dry. All right, just give it a whisk until I can get some of that flour chunks out. This is gonna be kind of a lumpy batter, and that's okay.
It smells so good.
Hey, girls! Y'all, what is going on?
PJs.
I know, and y'all
We got you.
Yeah. Okay. Oh, this is cute too. What I imagine.
Look
Hey.
look coordinated.
Okay, well, take your jackets off. Get comfortable.
Okay.
They got me PJs too.
What did you make?
Okay, I'm gonna put that to the side and finish.
Okay.
Finishing it. I'm gonna finish up. Come on in.
Okay.
All right. So I decided, we was gonna go to that chicken and waffle spot.
I know,
Right?
my favorite spot.
I'm gonna do it here. Okay. But I did it a little different. I made sweet potato waffles. And I fried some chicken wings over there. So yeah, I'm putting this batter inside my waffle maker here.
Okay.
Okay.
Ooh, it came out Well, would you?
Oh, you smell it?
Yes.
Do you smell that?
So golden.
You know how I
Oh,
do.
look at that little ringer.
Got my barbecue sauce over here. Watch your back.
Ooh.
Chicken wing.
Oh, you do it like
Okay.
that.
Get a little jalapenos. You guys like pickled jalapenos?
A little.
All right, got a little syrup. Oh, spirit fingers, y'all. Come on.